I'm thinking about replacing my water pump right down there. That one, okay. So I'm gonna take this off and then the belt. Okay. First gotta disconnect my battery right here. Okay, right.
Ultra here, sorry. So I got the belt off. Just have it hanging right there. I don't think the whole thing off, because putting it back is going to be a massive pain. I'm going to try like this first.
I gotta empty out my reservoir. I don't know if you can see it right there. Okay, I gotta pull that, that's all. I was able to drain most of it, right? And there was still some left. So I collected all the drain on the bit, and then I used the hose I ordered. I'm gonna suck it all out. I have to put it through there, get all the way in to the bottom, and suck out the rest of it. It's still in there. But now, I start to get a water pump over there. Yep, there it is. I see it at the bottom. Okay. A little more to that sucker, I think. There it is. Should be good. Okay. Let's do it. It'll all be 10 millimeter, if I'm not mistaken. This is the one I bought. Okay, I got it from AutoZone. I'm honestly hoping the thickness is fine. I'm gonna match the bolts and see where they'll go in each one. Managed to get the last bolt off. There's the water pump, man. Finally. There it is. Oh, the gasket came with it too. Thank God. Okay. Let me take it out. I finally got loose using the bigger one. And I cut myself a bit. Finally got it off. Came with that. Had to remove the alternator. Luckily I didn't remove it. So I cleaned that part. I think I'm missing a screw somewhere. I'm gonna have to find that. Luckily the new one comes with the screws. 2 of them. There. Doesn't look too bad. Does not look too bad. This is the old one. And check the thickness. Luckily the thickness of this is about the same as the old one. So I'm happy. Can't complain. I'm gonna try it. Everything's been removed. Bam. Cool. As much as I could. I don't know if you can see it. See? Try to do as much as I could. So now I'm gonna put it back on. Let me get the gasket and start Doing all of this backwards. Alright, I finally got it on there, down there. I don't know if you guys see it. Okay. Luckily, all the bolts, I got really scared that I'd like messed it up, or the bolts would not fit the new one. But they seem to fit. I just had them misplaced, so I moved them around, and it's okay now. So I'm gonna finish tightening it up, and then what's it called? Just torque it down, and then eventually put the radiator back on, because this thing's, I gotta figure that out. Luckily, getting it off, I was not able to get it off. Okay.
First, I want to spin it. I'll just put deep in there. That makes sense. Let's put deep in there. Let's do that. Come on.
I got almost all the 96 ones done. It's the bottom one left. There it is. There it is. There it is. That's the way it a short bolt.
That's better. I've been done. Got it. 18-inch pound on the top. Still 18. Got it. 40 at the bottom, right? 14 on the bottom. Got it. Okay.
Got all bolts on there. The side one, the top. I don't know if you can see the bottom one there. You might not get that one there. Okay. So I put this on. We should be good. And the little wires. After 100 tries, I finally got the belt on there. That was such a pain, good lord. Now I'm gonna put the cover back on and put the coolant in there, the new one. Alright, started up a second ago. I'm gonna try it again. Turn the heater on, full blast. Okay. So we got. Okay. It's on. It's good. This is running. Everything was good. Belt. Is it belting? It's fine. There's the water pump. That one. Let's just pull off. Okay. Put the bill back on. disconnected the battery. It's good. I'll let it run for a while. Okay? That was a lot of work. Good lord. Okay. I have the heater blasted. It's honestly working perfectly fine. And again, it's getting pretty hot. And same with the AC, I tried it. And right now I just drove around for a good like 10-15 minutes. And even the AC is fine. I feel the cold air. So it's good. And the one I used was this one.